and Senior Presidential Advisor for Special Operations.
Muhoozi, Kainerugaba.
The Inspector General of Police, the Commissioner General of Prisons, the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the Commander Land Forces, Commander Air Force, senior officers present from both UPDF, Uganda Police Force, and also Uganda Prisons, all of you ladies and gentlemen, I want to congratulate the parade participants for putting up this good performance for the final rehearsal before D-Day, which will be Tuesday next week, the 12th of May. Thank you for the effort you've put in. Commander, I thank his the parade twice and all the commanders for the effort they've put in to make this parade what it is. However, there are some few points of correction that I think you should look into. I saw a bit of issues with timing between the band and some of the marching, especially when they were bringing the flag down the first time. There was a bit of mistiming here with those who had come to remove the flag. Then I also noticed a bit of the parade stopped playing music for some time when the president was inspecting the parade. The music should be continuous once the inspection is going on. There shouldn't be any breaks. It should be continuous mpaka anamaliza kukagua gwaride na anarudi hapa kwa the tent. So please note that. Then I saw some of my tunes are missing. Maimbo yangu mawili sijasikia. So Kano Sentongo, please make sure my songs are included, the usual ones that you know. Fellow officers, commanders, and gallant soldiers, today as we stand on this parade ground during the final rehearsal before the inauguration ceremony, I want to commend each one of you for the discipline, dedication, and professionalism you have demonstrated throughout these preparations. An inauguration parade is more than marching information. It is a symbol of the strength, unity, and pride of our nation. Every step you take, every salute you render, and every movement you execute reflects the character and readiness of our armed forces. Before the country and the entire world, I urge you to give your very best on Tuesday, on the swearing-in parade of the new president. Let your turnout be sharp. Turnout. I always emphasize turnout. Your uniform must be immaculate, and your drill must be impeccable. And we shouldn't have these small mistakes that I just pointed out. Your timing precise and your spirit unwavering. Let's not have cases of people beginning to collapse. That is like I saw in Kabale for Tarehe Sita. One or two were not strong enough. Let's not have that on Tuesday. Rule, discipline, teamwork, and attention to detail. The people who will witness the ceremony must see a force that is confident, organized, and proud to serve its nation. Remember that you are the ambassadors of patriotism and national unity. Your conduct on the parade square will inspire confidence in our security institutions and honor the sacrifices of those who came before us. Remain focused, support one another, and maintain the highest standards until the final salute is rendered on Tuesday after the parade. Inauguration parade be remembered for its excellence, dignity, and professionalism. I have full confidence in your ability to deliver a ceremony worthy of our great armed forces and our great country, Uganda. May God bless you all, and may God bless Uganda. Now, one more point that I was almost going to forget. One or two of the paratroopers should land here, right here in front of the VIP tent. One or two should land right here, mbele ya heshima, mbele ya raisi. Moja ama wawili afadhali, ili watu, because wakiland huko nyuma you don't get the full picture. So make that correction for Tuesday. Otherwise, I thank you a lot and we look forward to an excellent parade. Asante sana.
Thank you.